love how this chicks jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Hop, pop, 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 pop. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvesha with you. I hope all of you are good. Now the first puja of this year is coming and I cannot be more excited to film this video. So this is going to be a simple day-friendly makeup look for Saraswati Puja. Keep on watching. I am going to start with prepping my skin, and for that I am using this Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. I will spray it twice on my face. And I will pat it in my skin. After toning comes in moisturizer, and for that I am using this Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream. I think these earrings are making a lot of sound. I have no idea. Now I'm going to finish it off with a sunscreen, and for that today I'm using the Lotus Matte Gel. This is the SPF 50 one. Okay, so the prepping is done. I'm quickly gonna go off camera. I'll do my brows and I'll be right back in a few seconds. Okay, my brows are done. My brows are done. Now I'm going to start with the base, and for that I'm using this Blue Heaven primer. Now this is a silicone based primer, so it is really good if you have large pores such as I have in my cheeks, like beside my nose. It works really good for that, and whatever I have left on my finger I am going to put it on my forehead. Alright, now I am going to go with foundation, and I'm taking few pumps of it on the back of my hand. So this is the foundation, and I'm going to blend it with the damp beauty blender. First I'm going to dot it all over my face. And then I will start blending it in. Okay, my foundation is pretty much blended. Now I'm going to go with concealer. I'm focusing it on the dark areas that I have. And I'm going to blend it with the same beauty blender. And I've used the same concealer for highlighting as well. Okay, it is done, and now it's time for powder. So for that I'm taking this fluffy brush, and I am going to use this loose powder. So I'm dipping it, and first I will focus it on my under eyes. I will not apply it in my cheek because I'm going to use a lipstick as a blush. And because it is a cream product, I cannot apply powder underneath that. So I've pretty much set the middle portion of my face, And now for blush, I'm using a pink nude lipstick, and this is by Neon. So this is what the color looks like. It's in the shade 18. And I'll apply a little bit on my nose too. So the base is pretty much done. I'm going to stop here and I will move on to the eyes. This puja always gives me yellow vibe, maybe because it's the beginning of summer and that's why I get to feel a lot of warm tones and especially yellow and oranges. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do, and I am thinking of doing more of a pastel kind of look. And today I am going to use a new eyeshadow palette. This is the Beauty Glazed color shades and I am loving this palette recently. First I'm going to prime my eyelid. And I'm using a brush to blend it. You can use a sponge too, but I think for lids and specific areas, brushes works better. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of powder. And now from the second chapter, I'm going to take this shade and I will put it on my crease. And after that, from the first chapter, I am going to take this lime yellow shade and I will put it on my inner corner. Actually, I'm going to mix the lime shade with this yellow one. And I'm thinking of doing a half and half look where from the inner corner to the mid portion, there will be yellow and the rest will be pink. Now I won't push it too much up because we already have a shade and I don't want to mix these two. So I'm just applying underneath that one. So the yellow is down and now I'm going to go with the pink. And for that, as you can see, I have a lot of option for pink, but I think I'm going to go with this beautiful rose pink color. Yes, now it is turning into very soft pastel look which I wanted, and I think it is very wearable too. And this is a very easy look too, even beginners can do that easily. It is looking very pretty. Now you can stop at this point. But I am going to put this shimmer on just the middle. That's it. Now it is looking complete and I'm going to do the same for my lower lash line. So for that I'm taking a shader brush and first I will go with the yellow. And with the same brush, I am now going to go with a pink. Now I am going to do a very sharp wing liner. I've put the liner. Now I am going to pop on these beautiful flary lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I have set my lashes, the eye is complete. Now what I have left is my lips. So for that, I think I am going to go with the nude brown today. So first I am going to overline my lips with a brown lip liner, and this is what it looks like. It is by Me Now. And now I am going to use this Me On lipstick. It is in 15 Coffee Mocha. Okay, now we have highlighter left, and for that I'm using this Makeup Revolution X Soap Highlighter palette, and from here I'm going to go with this rose pink highlighter. Okay, and now as a last step, I'm going to put a little bit of setting spray just to set everything on the place. Alright, so this is what it's looking like, and I'm loving it because it has turned out exactly how I wanted. And the lipstick, it just put everything together. So that is all for today's video. If you like it, do not forget to hit that like button. If you like this face and want to see more from me, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that little notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing, and enjoy this festive season. Dun 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 dun.